What is that? Oh, it's Daddy's present to you. So special. Oh, bonk. Oh, look, there's a little clock. Yeah. Wow. Aren't you a special little girl? Daddy loves you so much. Yeah. What do you think, huh, kiddo? Hi. Uh-oh. Camera strap. We like that. Mommy forgot. Sorry about the camera work here. Woo! We're trying to be mobile. Yeah. Aylin, can you say Daddy? Daddy? Can you say Daddy? Oh, you're gonna bite the clock. Oh, we're too busy playing to talk, huh?